gotta get used to using rudder because I don't really use it. Oh my God.
Daddy, did you know that stick
I have to say, I think Andy's skills have already surpassed mine at RC. I hate to admit it, but I will. I'm a man. I can be humble. You gotta get up, go climb up, then dive, and then do loop. Nice!
Oh, here comes Donnie.
That was a cool maneuver. I've never seen that before, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it the Graber.
That's Donnie. Are there Steve people?
I lost your plane for a second.
Daddy, isn't this a good stick right here?
That's a nice stick, yep. No ants on it, right, buddy?
Alright, let's see if we can get a better landing this time.
Okay, everybody off the road. That was nice.